The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for southeastern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, western Hancock County in southern Mississippi, south central Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Orleans, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Slidell around 8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Burlington around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pearl River 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Stennis Space Center around 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Picayune around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Slidell Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 261 and 273. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 6. Interstate 12 between mile markers 78 and 84. Interstate 59 in Louisiana between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 59 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 10. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.